Okay, so if you like Takis and you like hot sauce, you're gonna love this recipe. Like, I've been mulling this over for a while now, and like, I love Takis, and I was trying to figure out how to get the flavor that's in this bag into a bottle so that I can put it on everything. And I'm reading the ingredients, and like, there's a lot of stuff in here I can't pronounce, but basically, Takis is limes, peppers, and salt. So I'm gonna leave out all the ingredients that I can't pronounce, and I'm going to show you how to make a bottle of my version of hot Taki sauce. So let's get started. So these are cayenne peppers that I grew over the summertime. And as they ripen over the summer, I just pick them off the plant, throw them in a Ziploc baggie, and then throw them into the freezer so I'm ready to use them. So these are frozen solid, but that's okay. They're perfect for hot sauce. So I start by trimming off the stems and throw them into a pot. For this batch, I'm going to use about 50 of my peppers. Next, I'm going to take 6 limes, cut them in half, and then juice them. That gave me about 2/3 of a cup of lime juice. And then I'll throw that into the pot with the peppers. Then I'll also throw in a couple of those spent limes for some added flavor. And don't worry, we'll toss them later on. And Takis are pretty salty, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of kosher salt. Next, I'm throwing in 3/4 of a cup of white distilled vinegar. One cup of water. Then I'm going to simmer it for about 30 to 40 minutes. I do all my hot sauce cooking outside, but you can do this inside. You just want to make sure that you open up a window and get some good ventilation. At this point, you want to make sure that you remove those spent limes. Then everything gets dumped into a blender. Then you want to slowly bring it up to the highest setting on your blender and let it run for a good 2 to 3 minutes. It's at this point that you're going to want to taste it, make sure it doesn't need any extra salt or vinegar or anything. And once you're happy with the flavor, bottle it up and it's ready to go. So as far as the heat level goes on this stuff, I would say it's probably around somewhere in the range of like a Frank's Red Hot. It's not that spicy, so you can really pack it on when you're trying it. I also think it would make a great wing sauce too. But that lime really comes through in there. It's like smacks you in the face. It's so good. So let me know if you try out this recipe. I'd love to hear about it. Otherwise, catch you next time.